Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. Karera sa araw ng linggo, June 29, 2025, Sunday Racing. Starting time ng karera, 3 p.m. alas 3 ng hapon. Meron po tayong 7 races. At lahat ng races o lahat ng 7 karera ay pare-parehong may distansyang 1,400 meter run. Umpisa na po natin ang ating mga cool choices. Sa race number 1, umpisa ng winner take all, covers races 1 to 7. Isa itong 3-year-old and above, maiden race placers. First choice natin, number 8, straight shooter, Chucky Patty R. Dilemma. Second choice, number 4, or rather number 5, Orion Express. Race 2, pick 6 covers races 2 to 7. Ito po ang umpisa. Ang ating pong cool first choice, coupled entry, 5 Barayong, 5A Raha Bago. Second choice, number 1, ang magdadala ng bandera, Don Damiano. Third choice, number 3, Claire Boyan. Tayo ngayon sa race number 3, pick 5 covers races 3 to 7. First choice, number 1, Hot Legs. Second choice po natin, number 5, Misha, coupled entry, 5A, Mount Aman Diwing. Race 4, pick 4 ito, covers races 4 to 7. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 8, Potential, will be skipper by PJB Galieta. Second choice, number 7, Waray na Mayda pa, with Jackie JB Bakay Kai. Sa likod ng programa, race 5, first choice po natin, number 7, Hakim. Babang-baba na sa grupo at meron na rin pinapakita, sumusugod na. Second choice po natin, number 9, Golden Charger. Sa race 6, penultimate race, race na may Venta-Vecta. Ang ating pong cool first choice, number 5, Glina Moon. M.A. Alvarez on top. Ang ating pong second choice, number 4, High Dollar, with Jackie JPA Guse. Last race na po, race 7, Paratingan, race na may Super 6. Sa race 7, ang akin pong napiling ating first choice, sentimental favorite horse, number 10, Chengs Head Enough. Tamang-tama ang kanyang pwesto. Last to enter. Second choice, number 1, Distant Thunder. At third choice, number 7, Bukawe, Rivertown. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!